Robert had to put $25 more on my card, our card.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
And
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I don't know, I'm only gonna do like 3 swipes.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
We need Gloop, we need Oompa Loompa, and we need Slugworth. So maybe we'll look on the other machines to see if they're closer. Because I don't, you know what I'm saying? I haven't even seen an Oompa Loompa on this machine. But if we wanted to complete that today, I'm sure I have them at home. I wasn't expecting to get a golden ticket. But see, the problem with these machines is you still have to win it. You have to get it over the edge. I know nothing's happening. Here we go. Little something. So if we wanted to cash in a set today, we need Gloop, Oompa Loompa, and Slugworth. So in the beginning, a couple years ago when they first released these machines, the golden tickets were instant wins. And then I guess too many people were winning golden tickets, and so they changed the machines where it's not an instant win anymore. And there still might be a machine. If anyone knows of a machine that's still an instant win, let me know. But I haven't seen an instant win in person, just on YouTube. See, this is why I didn't do a full, because I feel like we're going to switch machines. See if anything's better, I don't know. Oh, that was a good push. I still have 28 shots. Oh, it's teetering now. Did you see that? Gloop's getting closer, but I don't know if he's worth it on this machine. Oh, there we go. Alright, I still have 21 shots left. I'll stay on this side, because we do need a Gloop.
Slugman's over there.
He is. Slugworth. Slugman, is that from a movie? Hold on. Look at that. Look at that golden ticket. I have to say, this is the first golden ticket we won here, right?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever won a golden ticket at this location. Oh, that was a wasted shot. Bad throw. I don't know, he's slow moving. I got 11 shots left. We'll scan the other machines, and if nothing good, we'll come back to this. Or I know we might just wait till tomorrow, because I swear I got these cards at home. But if we could claim something today, that would be cool.
At least you can hear the machines here.
Yeah.
That part I like.
Yeah, and I like how they don't have their radio blaring.
Yeah.
All you hear is arcade sounds. I like that. Yeah, this is slow going for sure. Alright.
Adieu, adieu.
Adieu.
Parting with such sweet sorrow.
So we did get a grandpa and a golden ticket. And then let's just scan the other machines real quick. So we need that Slugworth. He's not really in a good spot. I don't even see any Oompa Loompas. Oh, I'm gonna trip over the chairs. That's a Veruca Salt hidden underneath that. Ooh, here's a Slugworth right here. But then we'd still need an Oompa Loompa. There are absolutely no Oompa Loompas, so even if we were to get Gloop and Slugworth, we can't finish our set today. So I think we're just gonna stop. Like I said, I have a whole stack of cards from home, and I think we're just gonna come back tomorrow because they will reset the tailgate toss, and maybe Robert can get a couple more bonuses on tailgate toss tomorrow. Does that sound good? What is this? Is something different. Let's try this. All right, they did have a new game. I have never seen this one. Here, goes. That's the card. Okay, so it is $1.35 a swipe. Oh, it's one of those where you like
Don't want to go too far, but
don't want to go too far. Okay. How to play. Pull and release the lever with an optimum amount of strength, aiming at the super bonus shot. Okay, so this goes down. You see?
all right.
And then if it stops at the super bonus,
Oh, I see.
okay? All right. So
You don't want to
remember-
do that because you're going to bounce it back up.
Yeah, you don't want to do
front.
your full strength. So remember like in the carnival days where they had that metal ball that you would try to get it to stop on that loop? All right, give it a try.
You had a hump and then, yeah, you try to get it over the hump.
This is a new game.
Remember the bowling ball one?
This is why they moved everything around.
Ready? Hurry up!
Okay, so now it stops. Okay, if you go too far, it stops at the back, which is only 20.
Okay.
Try again!
All right, it's interesting.
That's it?
That's it. Try it again. Did you see?
That's right, yeah, I get it.
He gets it.
Ready? Hurry up! Hurry!
Oh, man.
Good!
That was close.
That's close.
That was close. So we got 30.
All right, that's
Try
Wanna try it
again! Ready?
one more try. I like it.
So close! Ready? Hurry up! Try
I
again!
don't know why it says hurry up.
Hurry
because
up.
I don't really see a timer. So do you get it or no?
No.
You got it. It's got to go over it.
I know.
And then it
I was
has,
almost on it.
and then it has a stop.
Try again!
Okay, hold on. Let me walk over here real quick.
Yeah.
All right. So see, there's a plastic. It's got a. There's a plastic slot. Go look at the 500.
Ready?
So you got to get it past the red, but to
Don't
stop.
give you as much
and-
room as the other spots.
No, they don't give you.
Have to align for that
The
day.
stars.
Try again.
Do it again.
One more time.
The stars definitely have to align.
Ready? Hurry up!
Yeah.
No.
Good!
All right. It's interesting though.
Yeah.
So that is called Power Roll.
Try again!
All right. Let's go cash in.
What happened to that one game where you throw the balls in the hole?
Oh my God, that's right. Let's walk through. What did they do with that pixel? It was called like pixel something.
They had that set so high nobody could ever win out.
Huh?
I don't know.
Did they get rid of their pixel game?
Thanks so much for taking a drive with us.
Nobody's gonna play if they do that.
So yeah, besides, they have a go-kart inside. They have shooting range, the ski ball. They don't honor their jackpots on the ski ball. Dizzy Chicken, Lucky Streak. Where is the pixel game? Oh, they have bowling. And I have that pop the balloon. So, I guess maybe it would, I don't know. I got one more section over here because they still have that football game, the one where you have to push the goal. So, what would have happened that and they used to have connection, and they don't have connection here either. Remember they used to have that connection game?
Yeah.
They don't have that here either. That's interesting that they. Okay, that Sonic, that's new. That Sonic basketball, that's new. The Yahtzee. still have Sink It. Classic Tower of Power. I remember the first time I ever went to Dave & Buster's, I would play this all the time. Tower of Power. Alright, I got rid of it. Interesting. Alright, we're gonna go cash in those tickets we won from Tower Tickets.